Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to get a circle loaf. Start by choosing a high hydration dough and a wide, shallow proofing basket to encourage outward rise. Mix flour and water until a shaggy dough forms, then rest for an autolyse to improve gluten. Use gentle folds every 30 minutes during bulk fermentation and avoid degassing. Shape into a loose boule and let the dough proof until slightly jiggly before baking. Score with a sharp lame or razor to control expansion and create the circle pattern. Preheat your oven with a Dutch oven inside to 475 degrees F for deep oven spring and crisp crust. Transfer the loaf on parchment, create steam if no lid by adding ice or water to a hot tray, then reduce temperature after 15 minutes. Bake until internal temp reaches about 206 degrees F and the crust is richly browned. Let it cool fully for best slicing. Common problems like flat loaves often come from underproofing or weak gluten development, so extend bulk fermentation with more folds. Dense crumb can result from insufficient steam or overmixing, so adjust hydration and be gentle during shaping. For uniform circles, rotate the loaf during scoring and watch oven spring carefully. Experiment with different flours and hydration increments of 2% to dial in the perfect texture for your climate and flour.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.